If you have a stick mixer like this, you may notice with age the cover over the button breaks into pieces. Use a scalpel and trim away the remains. We do not want any of the green part left. We only want the clean rocker switch. When it is clean, we can make the new button. I cover the switch and the gap. I'm using a medical type tape that is porous. Trim the tape to match the stick mixer contour. I use some grey polyurethane. The most well-known brand of this is Sikaflex. Lubricate your fingers with dishwashing liquid. Shape the new button to a neat, smooth finish. You want the new button to blend in. Always try to blend in on blenders. Allow this to cure for at least 24 hours. The smoother your finish, the less food sticks to it. When they originally invented this mixer, food stuck to it, so they called it a stick blender. Here is the finished result. Thanks for watching.